Hello and welcome back to my course WordPress site migration. In our previous video, we have copied the contents and the files and folders of our main domain to our subdomain. But now we need to make a copy of our MySql database. In order to do that, we will have to log into PHP My Admin section of my live server. So I go to my cPanel and from there I go to database section and I select PHP My Admin section. So it is quite easy and straightforward process. We do not need to create a new database and then export the old one and then import the new one. Actually, we can simply make a copy of our current database. So I select this database and here is an option, operations. I click on it and here you have to give a new name of your new database. So I give the name of temp. So temp would be the name of my new database, and here you make sure that structure and data radio option is selected and create database before copying and add auto increment values are checked. Simply click on the go button and your database is being copied and all the contents, all the tables and structure of your current existing database would be duplicated. Now if we reload this page, you can see that there are now two databases. If I click on the home button, you can see that there are two databases. One's name is avascam_avas and another name is avascam_temp. So our new database has been created and now we have to configure our wp.config file, and we will do it in the next video.